Alright, how to change this LG model LFXC24726S 03. I couldn't figure out how to change this display. It was at Celsius. So this is how you change it. Gotta wait for that to turn off. This is the refrigerator right here. It's an LG linear compressor. Okay, now it turned off. So you're gonna press refrigerator and freezer at the same time. There. I'll change it back, same thing. I don't know if I have to wait for the screen to turn off. I think I do, but let me see. Oh, I guess not. So there you go. Hope that helps.